If you hear it over the music or not, hopefully I can talk over it. I take that Demon, little coupe, 25 only, white squirrel cruising thing, Chargers, Mustangs. I like that Demon. GTs. Try to get it maybe in between songs. It will break in between songs. Mustang. That chopped up little S10. Mustang. This conversion. The guy said it was a plain old white panel van, and he did the deluxe on it.
Boy, that is terrible all blown last week.
Well, they've been for a while. I'll try to get some video in between songs. Ain't got very much time. They start in. They said it was a plain old van. Oh yeah. Song's over. He needs to be down there on the other end. 62. Chevaux. 55. Yeah, I get far enough away down here, they ain't gonna be able to hear it. There's a couple of cars I ain't never seen before, like a couple weekends ago. 56. Ram. I take a good old 3/4 ton Ram. Nova. They're pretty popular. They're small. You put a big block in them. They're cheap. The Novas. It's like I can tell some of these, they're tethered together. Or they set together. It's like synchronized. They know exactly where to go. There's a big Dodge. I'll take a walk down here. Now this will all be, it's still early really. All this will be full. Oh, 64. Big Pontiac. No, it's Buick. That'd be 56. Yeah, it is Pontiac. I was right. I thought it had the Chief on it. Yeah. Nova. Dodge. Come on. And turn around and head back the other way. That didn't take long.